Hey everyone, I just wanted to dive into this WordPress demo that I wanted to share with you. I want to show you how to get WordPress installed on a DigitalOcean droplet. DigitalOcean is a great place to host servers that are easy to start. What you do is once you come into DigitalOcean, you sign up for an account and you log in. And I've already done this first step. What you do is you create a new project and you give it a name, call it your website name. That's where you begin. Everything that you do in DigitalOcean will fall under a project name. I called mine WordPress demo because this is just for educational purposes. Next, what you do is go to Droplets. A droplet is like a small virtual server that you spin up, and you could do whatever you want to it and you can tear it down at any time. So what you do is you click Create Droplet. For this section, I like to choose Debian. Debian is a very solid operating system. It is what Ubuntu actually gets all of its code from. Debian is a more pure, stable repository for Linux environments. Choose a plan. Make sure you don't choose the $40 a month one. Make sure you choose the $5 a month one just to get started. You could always upgrade as you go. You do not need block storage for WordPress. A volume will act as an extended hard drive. You can buy volumes at a particular price for a particular amount of space. I always choose New York for my location. For a host name, make sure you enter something relevant to what you're doing. I'm going to call this WordPress demo. Enable backups is a recommendation I would do if this is a website that you want to save. I'm doing this for a demo, so I'm not going to enable backups. Note that when you click Create Droplet, you will be getting billed by the hour for the usage of the droplet, up to $5 a month, or according to the plan that you chose up in the Choose a Plan section. Note that the cost is $0.007 an hour. Click Create Droplet and wait for it to spin up. Now that it's spun up, you have an IP address and a server, and what you could do is copy this IP address, go to a terminal, and type SSH space root at IP address. Enter. Type yes to accept the authenticity. Now it's asking for a password. What you need to do is check your email that you signed up with DigitalOcean. Inside your email is a password for the root account. Copy that password and paste it into your terminal for the password. Now it's going to automatically prompt you to change your password. Enter your current password again, and now enter a new password. Now that you have set your root password to something that is secure and something that only you know, you need to add a user to the server. Type add user and your name. Enter a new password for this user and your name. Once you add your user, you need to make sure you're in the sudoers group. The group is called sudo. What you do is you go user mod -a -g sudo your name. Now you're in a group that has sudo permissions. Now you want to exit out of this SSH terminal session. You want to try to SSH in as your new user. If you ever lose your clipboard IP address, you can always go back to the WordPress demo project and copy the IP address from the droplet information. Type in your new password that you created. Now you're logged in as yourself. You always want to make sure you're not working in root unless you absolutely need to for safety purposes. Congratulations, now you have a new droplet spun up in the cloud.